Welcome to another informative video. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. If you're interested in learning about the transformative power of thermal imaging in the world of maintenance, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of infrared thermal imaging and why it's such a critical tool across diverse fields from manufacturing to building maintenance. You'll also get a peek into its history and current technological advancements, as well as how to choose the right infrared camera for your needs. So, stay tuned and let's get started. Thermal imaging is a game changer in the world of maintenance, including predictive maintenance. It's a versatile tool that can be used in a variety of applications, from power to manufacturing to building maintenance. Today, we're going to explore the basics of how infrared thermal imaging works, why it's so crucial, and how it's used in different applications. Let's start with the basics of thermal imaging. Infrared imaging is such an effective tool because heat energy is everywhere. It's generated inside buildings, reflected off of them, and absorbed back in. It's produced at power plants, sent to our cities, and we use it up. But what exactly is infrared energy? It's all that energy just below the range of light visible to the human eye. Infrared technology allows us to see the range of light produced by heat that's normally invisible to us. Think of it as a magic pair of glasses that let you see in a different wavelength. Infrared comes in three wavelengths: shortwave infrared, used for night vision, which is 1.3 to 2.5 microns in length; midwave infrared, which ranges from 3 to 5 microns; and longwave infrared, which is 8 to 14 microns, and has seen the most use in infrared cameras. Infrared imaging works based on how heat energy behaves. If there's heat in one place, such as an object we're putting energy into, it will radiate out into space or transfer into cooler objects. This is the principle of convection and conduction. With an infrared camera, the radiation of heat energy off of objects goes at the speed of light into the detector, which is the camera's lens. Now let's take a quick look at the history and current technology of infrared imaging. Commercially, infrared technology started in the 1940s, built up in the 1980s, and then exploded in the 2000s. The focus of recent developments has been on making cameras smaller, lighter, faster, and cheaper. Today, you can even get models that plug into the bottom of your smartphone for $200 to $300. But when choosing an infrared camera for your project, you'll want to consider several factors, including ergonomics, portability, cost, electronics, expandability, ruggedness, software compatibility, and training and technical support. Most importantly, you should consider the type of detector on the device, its level of thermal sensitivity, and its spatial resolution. Thermal imaging can be used in a wide range of maintenance applications. It's used in industries and machines such as incinerators, mail sorting machines, manufacturing, pulp and paper rollers, cartridge heating, Connecticut scanners, refractory and kilns, TV towers, and aerostat craft. It's also used in mechanical applications to detect friction, in electrical applications to detect resistance, in solar fields, steam systems and boilers, and buildings. When deciding whether a thermal imaging test is suitable for a specific application, ask yourself these three questions. Would the information be valuable to the end user? Is it possible to successfully accomplish the test and get valid results? Would obtaining the information cost more than it's worth to find out? In conclusion, infrared thermography is widely used in many industries, and it's a vital tool for maintenance technicians. Even the simplest cameras can be useful as long as the right methods are used. The data that comes from infrared inspections can help maintenance teams anticipate failures and perform preventive repairs when needed. Thank you for watching this video on the transformative power of thermal imaging in maintenance. We've covered the basics of infrared thermal imaging, its history, current technological advancements, and how to choose the right infrared camera for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations team, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.